Welcome, in front of me is a MOTOROLA Razr 40 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from a SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you will need to open up the standalone contacts application. I'm gonna skip signing in. From here, I'm gonna just quickly touch upon, as you can see, I chose this little icon, so now you can find settings and help, feedback, whatever. By tapping on this phone icon, you will normally get option to change between different locations where the device is pulling contacts from. Now, I don't have any Google accounts signed in, so the device automatically opts into the device storage for contacts. But if I did log into a Google account, it would automatically switch to that and it would show me a Google account here instead. And also, when clicking on it, it will give me a Google account and device as an option, so I could switch between them. I just want to point that out because this will be important to some people. So anyway, to import your contacts, select right here, Fix and Manage, and then Import from SIM. This will automatically display all the contacts that are on your SIM card. They should all be selected as long as none of these contacts already exist on your device in a location that you're planning to import these contacts to. Now, the reason I did specify that is because right now these contacts for me are being imported just to the device. But if I had my Google account signed in on this device, it would opt into that by default and give me a drop-down menu somewhere right below the import contacts, which would allow me to swap it between, for instance, several different Google accounts if I had more than one, and also the device. But because I have no Google account signed in and the only location I can import to is the device, it won't give me the drop-down menu and automatically opts into that. Now, actually, before I even finish this off, so like I mentioned, if, for instance, on your device you already have one of these contacts, it will be grayed out and deselected, and you won't be able to select it. But for instance, if you change it to something like your Google account and this contact doesn't exist, it will automatically be rechecked and you can import it there. Well, anyway, I'm going to just select Import. It will give me the amount of contacts that have been imported, and when I go to Contacts, you can now see them right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.